Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm set up. Now, don't mind the hair. I'm ready to wash my hair. I'm gonna cover my path with a garbage bag because I didn't buy the extra sleeve. But guess what I'm doing? Let me show you. Let me show you. This. Okay, I got a towel because of course I can't use this hand, so I'm trying to work it out. But what I'm going to do, I dried the turkey off. Hope you can see. It's getting heavy. My arm's getting weak. Okay. Dry the turkey off. Can you see? I'm drying the turkey off. Okay, where are we going with this? Where are we going to put what we do? Dry it off. When you dry it off, you have less moisture. I'm going to get my oil. Oh. Let's see where's the oil. Okay, here it is. Homemade garlic oil. Homemade garlic oil. So, bring you guys in closer. What are we looking at? Chicken? Can we see chicken? Not chicken. Turkey. Okay. Now, turkey. I dried it off. When you dry it off, less moisture. This will help to crisp the skin up. Okay. You don't want me to wash my hands? I'll wash my hands. Yeah, I wash my hands. Okay, yeah, I did. But I know some people prefer to see people using gloves. Glove. Gloves on. Got it. Homemade garlic oil. Rub that. Rub it in. Rub it in. Maybe put some legs. Red. Now I'm going to flip it over. So we'll use this. It's just right here. Rub it in. Here, now I am deep conditioning my hair. So, let's see if I'm in frame. So I'm going to take the lid off my new wave. Set it aside. Let's look at it. Okay, brown, perfect. Let me flip it over. Don't laugh, guys. I did an hour on that side. I'm gonna flip it over, do an hour on the opposite side. Still looking nice and moist. So let me get some oil. I think the camera lost me. Okay, putting some more seasoning underneath the eye. Okay, I don't have my towel.